Hello, welcome friends, we have a good one for you to try. First, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy it and learn something new. Because what is life if we don't live and learn? Okay, let's get to it. Creating a haunted house using inexpensive in-home or dollar store items is a fun and budget-friendly way to decorate your space for Halloween. Here are some steps to guide you through the process. 1. Plan your layout. Decide on the space where you want to create your haunted house. It could be a room, a garage, or even a large hallway. Sketch out a rough layout of how you want to arrange the decorations. 2. Prepare the walls. Cover the walls with black plastic tablecloths or trash bags to create a dark and eerie atmosphere. Use tape or removable adhesive putty to attach them securely. You can also use old sheets or fabric for a similar effect. 3. Create spider webs. Cut out spider webs from white or silver construction paper and hang them on the walls. Attach fake plastic spiders to make it creepier. Or the dollar store will have the stretch fake cobwebs or cheesecloth. 4. Hang crepe paper streamers. Drape crepe paper streamers from the ceiling to create a spooky, maze-like atmosphere. Use Halloween colors like black, orange, and purple. If you are looking for a more warehouse dump look, you can tape black garbage bags to the ceiling. But don't hurt yourself. 5. Make cardboard tombstones. Cut out tombstone shapes from cardboard boxes, paint them gray, and add RIP or other spooky messages. Place them around your haunted house as if in a graveyard. I find these to be especially creepy. And if you have a hand or skull nearby it. Creepy. 6. Spooky lighting. Use string lights or battery-operated LED candles to add eerie lighting. Place them strategically to create dark shadows and mysterious effects. I find the purple or orange LED lights work best. 8. Decorate with dollar store finds. Visit your local dollar store for affordable Halloween decorations like plastic skeletons, skulls, and other spooky props. Place them throughout your haunted house. 9. Sound effects. Use a Bluetooth speaker or smartphone to play eerie sound effects or Halloween music to enhance the atmosphere. Or if you are old school like me, play Michael Jackson's Thriller. 10. Haunted scenes. Create different haunted scenes within your space. For example, you can have a zombie corner with life-sized zombie decorations, a witch's lair with cauldrons and potion bottles, or a spider den with oversized spider decorations. 11. Haunted house entrance. Design a spooky entrance using draped sheets, cardboard archways, or faux spider webs. Add a sign to welcome visitors to your haunted house. 12. Final touches. Place a fog machine near the entrance to add a mysterious and spooky foggy effect, if available. And one really off-putting host for that extra scare. Remember to take safety precautions, especially if you're planning to host visitors. Make sure the space is well lit and free of tripping hazards. Additionally, inform guests if there are any sudden scares or jump scares inside the haunted house to prevent any undue stress or anxiety. Well, friends, that is all I have for now. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, let me know. Subscribe for more content like this.